How to fix Roblox HTTP error connect failed. So I'm gonna explain and show you 3 fixes for this. Now for the first fix, it's very simple. We just want to make sure that we are using a stable internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi and just try using your mobile data. If that doesn't work and if you're using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. That was the first fix. For the second fix, we want to go into our settings, and here from the settings, we will just search for Roblox. Okay, Roblox, just find Roblox, click on it, and make sure this is toggled on. Cellular data, toggle this off and then toggle this back on and see if that fixes your issue. And if it still doesn't work, the last thing that we can do is, again, from the settings, we'll search for offload unused apps, click on this, find your Roblox application here, again click on it and then select offload app and offload it. After that, we will just reinstall this. It might take a little bit of time for Roblox to re-download, but it will re-download. It's not gonna log you out of your account or anything like that, so you can be you can be chill about that. So you can open up Roblox and hopefully this fixes the error. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.